Now, a worried news for all of us, very worried news, because of big asteroid, 1 kilometer wide, comely fast towards Earth. It very fast towards Earth. Scientists told that. If it hit the Earth, unfortunately, then it creates the power of the nuclear bomb explosion. Nuclear bomb explosion power it created if that asteroid hit the Earth. Scientists give the name 2024 YR4. 2024 YR4, that name of the asteroid. Scientists found that asteroid in the previous year, 27 December. 27 December 2024, scientists found that asteroid. But the good thing is, scientists told also that the asteroid come towards the Earth, close towards the Earth in the year 2032, and it passes close to the Earth on the date 22 December 2032. 22 December 2032, that asteroid passes closely to the Earth. There is only the 1.3% chance it hit the Earth. 1.3% chance, so we see negligible chance or no chance. So not good thing of us. And 99% we are safe. The possibility that 19% the Earth we are safe. We know that asteroids are very dangerous. The dinosaur will be ended from the Earth due to the impact of such asteroid, due to the collision of such asteroid. The dinosaur will vanishes from the Earth. But I say that the relaxed news is that there is no worry, no tension. 2032 years. So there is not any, scientists continuously trace that asteroid by using the high power telescope. The space scientists continuously trace that asteroid. So not worry, tension, we are safe, enjoy the life, and share this good information to the maximum people. Share this information, don't take tension, share. Thanks.